Hey guys, we're here today at Stillby Golf Course again. You can see it's a beautiful golf course, the ocean in the background. Okay, but today we're only playing with putter. You can see I borrowed my friend's putter because I don't want to damage mine. So the first 3 holes we're playing the first one, as you can see there at the back, it is a par 4. So we're playing, first one's par 4, second one's par 3, and third one is her par 5. So I'm a little bit cautious, but hopefully this one works out well. So stay tuned. Okay guys, the first shot, it actually went past that tree. I don't know if you can see it there, but I'll show you just now. It was actually nice. It was a solid shot. I'll tell you just now how far it went. I'm not sure, but stay tuned. It's quite fun. Oh, there's the ball. That went how far up? Probably like 80 meters or what? Like almost 100 meters, I think. So it's not too shabby. So let's get golfing. I'll guess this is around 110 to 115 meters out. So hopefully I put this one on the green. There's bunkers on the right and left side. So I don't know how I will play out of a bunker with a putter. Hopefully that isn't the case going to be today. It's a little bit of a sticky situation, but let's see how this one works out. Not as planned. This one is for bogey. Okay, we are off to the second tee, the par 3. We're playing over these bushes. Yeah, Stillby, it's got a lot of bushes, but double bogey on the first one, not bad at all. So, but we're playing double bogey golf right now. Let's see if we can get a par or a birdie even today. That would make my whole day. So yeah, see you guys on the flip side. Okay, there's the green, and over there, right over there, if the camera can focus, there's some ball. Unfortunately, we didn't make par on this one, so yeah, but we still made bogey. Bogey golf is not that bad, but a par would have been icing on the cake. Okay, that was the first hole that we played, the par 4, which I made double bogey. That one over there, right there, there's a part of the green and a bunker. That was the par 3 second hole. Now we are on the par 5, the third. So hopefully this goes well. This one's going to be a low fade or cut around the tree. So let's see. We're around 130 meters out. So I reached my goal. I played quite a whacker, so let's get golfing again, boys. This is quite an uphill putt, as you can see. Hopefully I make this one. As easy as that. Joking. That's the putter golf. It was fun. Thanks for tuning in. I made double bogey, bogey, bogey. So we played bogey golf. That's not bad at all. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, you are awesome. And girls, you are awesome. Cheerios.